Welcome to our English learning adventure. Today, we're going to talk about elephants, the most amazing animals of Earth. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have big ears, long trunks, and thick gray skin. They live in Africa and Asia. An elephant's trunk is very strong and flexible. It's used for smelling, drinking water, picking up food, and even saying hello to other elephants. Elephants are herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. A grown elephant can eat over 150 kilograms of food every day. Elephants are very intelligent animals. They have strong memories and can recognize themselves in a mirror. They can also solve problems and show emotions. Elephants live in groups called herds. Usually, the leader of the herd is the oldest female, called the matriarch. She guides and protects the group. Baby elephants are called calves. A baby elephant can weigh about 100 kilograms at birth. They stay close to their mothers for several years. Elephants communicate using sounds, body movements, and even vibrations in the ground. Some of their sounds are too low for humans to hear. An elephant's tusks are long teeth made of ivory. They are used to dig for water, move trees, and defend against predators or enemies. Sadly, elephants are endangered. Many are hunted for their tusks or lose their homes due to deforestation. Conservation efforts are important to protect them. Elephants are loved around the world for their beauty, intelligence, and gentle nature. Learning about them helps us understand how amazing animals can be. This is the end of our video. Learning about elephants teaches us more about nature and how animals live in the wild. If you have watched until here, great job. Now you know more about elephants and learned some new English words too. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Comment below and tell us what you think about the channel. We'd love to hear your opinion. See you next time.